For this question, we're given a series of diagrams or figures. So figure 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're then asked to complete this table of results. We have to find a rule connecting the number of squares S and the figure F. And then we need to find the number of squares for the 25th figure. So let's have a look at how we complete this. So first of all, we're going to complete this table of results. So for figure 1, we can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, and we've got 4 written here. For figure 2, we've got 4, 5, 6 squares. For figure 3, we've got 5 on the bottom here, 6, 7, 8 squares. And for the fourth figure, we've got 6 on the bottom, 4 on the top, so that's 10 squares. For part B, it says find the rule connecting the number of squares S and the figure F. Now, the way we do this is we look at the difference on the second row. We see here, when we go from 4 to 6, we are adding 2. When we go from 6 to 8, we are adding 2. And then from 8 to 10, again, adding 2. So this difference is the same. So we say there is a common difference of 2. And when there is this common difference, we can say there is a linear relationship between F and S. And therefore the rule is as follows. We can say that S equals, we take the common difference, 2, and we multiply it by F. So S equals 2F. We then look at what we call the zero term. So in other words, if we had a 0 here, what would the value of S be? Well, we know we're adding 2 each time. So when we go in reverse, backwards here, we would have to subtract 2 from 4. And therefore the value of S here is 2. So S equals 2F plus 2. Now what I like to do is just check this result by substituting in a value for F and seeing if I get the corresponding value for S in the table. So for example, let's choose the number 3 for F. So if we substitute 3 in here, we'd have 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. And we can see here in the table of results, we do indeed have 8 for S. Now this actually helps with the next question. It says find the number of squares for the 25th figure. In other words, F is 25. So if we substitute 25 into this equation here, we would get that S equals 2 multiplied by 25 plus 2. So S equals, well, 2 multiplied by 25 is 50, and 50 plus 2 is 52. And therefore, there are 52 squares in the 25th figure.